Hi. Welcome back to Cloud Cookie Academy. This video is about AWS budgets. First, navigate to My Billing dashboard in your AWS console. From the AWS Budgets dashboard, you can create, edit, and manage your budgets, as well as view the status of each of your budgets. AWS Budgets lets you create automated budgets alerts. Click on Create a Budget to start creating budgets alerts. Let's create a cost budget. A cost budget monitors your costs against a specified dollar amount and receive alerts when your user-defined thresholds are met. Enter the name of your budget. Your budget name must be unique within your account and can use upper and lowercase alphabets, spaces, and some special characters. For period, choose how often you want the budget to reset the actual and forecasted spend. Choose the month that you want the budget to start on. For a fixed budgeted amount, enter the total amount that you want to spend for this budget period. For monthly and quarterly planning budgets, enter the amount you want to spend for each planned period. Choose Configure Alerts. To learn more about other budget parameters, refer to Creating a Budget section in the AWS User Guide. Under Configure Alerts, choose Actual to create a notification for actual spend and Forecast to create a notification for your forecasted spend. I will create an actual cost alert to send a notification when the cost reaches 90% of my budgeted amount. To receive a notification, you must specify an email address. You can also specify an Amazon SNS topic. A notification can have up to 10 email addresses. Separate multiple email addresses with a comma and choose Add Email Contact. There are other notification options including Amazon SNS topic and chatbot notifications. Click Confirm Budget to continue. You can also use AWS budgets to set reservation utilization or coverage targets and receive alerts when your utilization drops below the threshold you define. Review your budget settings, and choose Create. This brings us back to the AWS Budgets dashboard. Our first budget has been successfully created. Click Create Budgets to create other alerts, such as Usage Budget, Reservation Budget and Saving Plans Budget. Stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials. Check out AMIs on our AWS Marketplace. I have listed the link in the description box below. If you like our tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing.